This is the elevator, the Canaan Institute for Ethics at Duke University in Durham, East Campus, Durham, North Carolina. It's Otis Gen2. Obviously added later, on the renovated basement. Not sure if BR is the same floor or not, here we go. Yeah, it's a different floor. Here, basement. Go to 2. Paint resistant fixtures, sure up. There 2. Right on 1. You can hear the Gen2 clicks, but not through a cabinet there. I think it's control room MRL. Certificate installed in 2014. It's a basic stainless steel cabinet. It's a good quality stainless steel cabinet. Unlike that. Well, actually, no, that's not that. Here back at 1. Now closing, that's gonna be it.